tinavavotera chiri bwanji tifuna tizive vazimai vatu vachoma vata pamanzi vazagurisa time bwanji maona ka vana vang'ono vachoma vata pamanzi vazainza time bwanji kuskuru ningampasa ne example yaka kamwana mkakayangana momene kaonekera mkakamatika samba kamwana kana samba kamwana
These were previous concerns by residents of Libuyu Extension in Livingstone, who had petitioned the water utility company, Southern Water and Sewerage Company SWASCO, over erratic water supply in the area. However, the dry spell on these taps is now a thing of the past, as households have begun receiving water. Though elated by the development, some residents like Mary Monga are skeptical about the matter.
Manzi naye vanekera zichoka every month. Manzi sanekera zishota kumapompi. Ndaba chechima chidabwisa nkuti manzi amavuta kuno kuvutiratu. Penangu 1 month ngapite no manzi. Penangu 2 months but mabiu abwera every month. Mabiu tiapokelea.
Sikuti mapompi yose achoka. Especially kuja. Basho grand kose kulipe ma manzi kuja. Kani penangu ni correction ya na ika ya blue tosa manengi manzi kukaya. Zifuna kwa mapompi yakuti amapipe yakuti nyakulukulu yakuti angenzisa ko manzi ichili yadi kazichoka manzi.
According to management at SWASCO, residents that are connected to a line that once serviced an old water kiosk will now experience less interruptions, and also urge residents that are not serviced with water to register with the water utility company. For residents that can afford to pay for the service, it's time to quench their thirst right at their doorstep. But for some that cannot afford to pay, this obsolete community hand pump is the answer. Clive Kalunga, Muvi TV News in Livingstone.